Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and compose encrypted email on Proton. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and then go ahead and open your Proton Mail. Make sure that you're already logged into your account, and now all you need to do is just click on this new message, and now go ahead and enter whoever you want to send it to, write your subject, and then go ahead and write your message as well. And now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and encrypt it is simply click on this lock icon right over here, or you could just press Ctrl+Shift+E. So if we press Ctrl+Shift+E, as you can see, encrypt message and an encrypted password protected message to non-Proton Mail email address, it says. So you can simply go ahead and enter a password, whatever you want, and then hit hint, and then just click on set encryption, and there you go. Now you can send it to anyone. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.